Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're going to show you how to make tabletop decor that you can swap out for every holiday. Let's get into it. Okay, so the idea behind this project came when I really wanted to make some decor for the 4th of July, and as we have the rest of the holidays following suit right behind it, I thought we should make something that's interchangeable so we can use it for the rest of the year. There's no particular size I'm going for here. I just knew that I had a 1x6 in the shop, so I figured I would print out my pictures to make sure that they fit on the width of that 1x6. I used both my bandsaw and my jigsaw to cut out these. You could also use a scroll saw if you wanted to. There's multiple different ways that you could cut these out. Once I had all the pieces cut out, Christina gave them a light sand and began to paint them. And while she was doing that, I started on the stand. For the stand, I'm just using a scrap 2x4 that I had laying around, and I'm setting my table saw to a 45 so that I can make a nice chamfer all the way around the top of it. And after some thought, I decided it was way too thick, so I went ahead and used the table saw to splice it down. I drilled my holes offset on the base, and then I cut my dowels at different lengths just to kind of mix it up a little bit. Because we're going to be removing and adding decorations to these dowels, I wanted to make sure that they were plenty strong enough. So I'm using a 3/8 inch oak dowel. Before assembling the base, Christina gave it a light sand. She also made sure to sand the ends of the dowels, that way our cutouts would slide on and off really easily. She gave the base a light coat of stain and then used some wood glue to attach the dowels. To decorate our cutouts, Christina used multiple different types of paints and paint pens and stains, and she also used some little tags that she picked up at the Dollar Tree. Alright, our tabletop decor is finished, and I'm really happy with the way that it came out. We're all set for the 4th of July weekend here, and then coming up right behind it we have our fall decor, and then right after that we are ready for our Christmas holiday decor. And who knows, after that maybe I'll do 3 hearts for Valentine's Day or something for a birthday. You could even cut out plain square blocks of wood and put a little clip on them to have pictures like family photos that you could have set up in between holidays or seasons. It's just really versatile and you can do all kinds of things with it. And if you use it for a centerpiece, you can paint both sides of your little cutouts, and that way people can see it from both sides. All in all, this was a lot of fun to make and a really easy project. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. We have lots of other projects on our channel, so make sure to check it out, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we would love to hear in the comments below what you thought of this project. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.